Well, look at this, another Craigslist find. It's a Craftsman 6.75 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine. It's a 21-inch mulching mower. Got the bag too. And it's been stored for 2 years, I was told. It is a rear self-propelled. Whoever put the rope on put it in the wrong place. Should be up here. Well, this was a deal. This was $30, believe it or not. Here's the shadow. It has got so much oil in it. It is over full. Don't know if you can tell from the stick, but it should be in these two little marks. I'm going to have to dump some oil out of it. I did start it up last night. I cleaned the air filter. And it blew blue smoke out for a long time. So I'm going to do a start on it again. And then I'm going to dump the oil out, and then I'm going to cut my yard with it. $30, this is a great deal. Okay, here we go. We're going to give it a start. Tied the handle down here. This has got the easy start on it. I believe it's called Ready Start, so it's no primer button. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. And it smoked really bad last night, may do the same. Here we go. Well, it's late in the afternoon. I finished cutting the backyard, at least, with a resurrected Craftsman mower. Did a very nice job. I ran it out of gas, so I can get some fresh gas in it and dump some of that oil out of it. And I will change the oil in it, but it does a very nice job. I'd sharpened the blade earlier. Now, on to the front yard. Everything works good. Self-propelled. It's missing one bolt. On the side over here, I just put a temporary one in. It was missing two. Missing one here for the handlebars. Not bad for $30.